Hey, Manifester. I'm Jaclyn Johnston, the creator of Manifest It and the author of the best-selling books Don't Feel Stuck. Do you want to know how to manifest faster? Join us because we're about to tell you just how we like to do it.
Move with the rhythm, shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Hey, Manifestors. Look around less and imagine more. This is spoken by the great Esther of Abraham Hicks. Today, I'm going to tell you how to manifest money using household chores. It's a quirky way to manifest it. And nope, I didn't mispronounce it. I actually meant to say quarky instead of quirky because I believe you can use the universe's particles of quarks as building blocks for quirky ways to manifest whatever you desire. Today, I'm sharing an exercise with you I'm including in my third book about how to manifest money using unconventional ways to manifest faster. So, here we go. The building blocks of your manifestations. In the law of attraction, the main theme is like attracts like. Whether your thoughts are negative or positive, it doesn't matter because thoughts are merely fleeting moments of energy vibrations stemming from your brain. Now, your focus, on the other hand, is a decision stemming from your thoughts. Your decided focus of thought emits more energy vibrations into the universe for it to reflect like minded experiences to you because you've chosen to attach yourself to your focus. You know the quote, you get what you focus on. The universe doesn't understand emotions themselves, but it understands communication via energy and operates in its boomerang effect via energy. Getting quirky with manifesting. Let me explain how quarks play a part in the universe. So, energy equals influences of itself, and it shapes into matter. So, yeah, Einstein has this quote that I totally love and I bring it up from time to time, and it's that energy cannot be either created nor destroyed. It can only be influenced upon itself. So, yeah, influences of energy by its own self shape into matter that involve atoms. Now, matter equals the building blocks of energy containing particles of quarks that make up atoms. So when you break apart the atoms, you get quarks. Manifestations equal matter. And examples are your brain, your skin, your couch, your car. Anything and everything that has a mass is made up of matter. Your brain emits energetic vibrations into the universe through your thoughts. Depending on what you choose to focus on with your thoughts, more vibrations occur. The more you focus on something, the more you create feelings and emotions towards it as being a possibility because of your chosen focus. And the more you focus on something, the more likely it's going to play out into your physical realm because the universe responds to energy. Energy is influenced upon itself. Like attracts like equals your focused energy. So to sum this up, because I know it can be a lot to take in. But to sum up this thought cycle, because there really is a cycle, because it's a boomerang effect that the universe operates in. And really, this thought cycle is also the process of the circle of life. Everything comes full circle. And quarks play a building block of energy that make up matter. So, your focused thoughts are the building blocks of energy that create your manifestations. All right, manifesting money using household chores. Now we get into the fun exercise that I came up with and I performed. Now that you understand a bit of how the universe responds to your chosen focus of energy via particles, if you're feeling negative towards money, let's flip your switch and cleanse your focus around it. I performed this experiment on myself for a few weeks and then bam, I flipped my focus and the universe responded to me by manifesting my desired amount of money. I used it to buy a whole new living room set of furniture. Thank you so much, universe. Take your desire of money and resonate it with something else. You can take literally anything and resonate it to your desire because it's all made up of the same energy. The point is to change your focus around it so that you have a desired outcome for yourself. What is something that you hate to do? For me, it's loading the dishwasher. Oh, I really don't like to do that. But a few weeks ago, I decided to approach it differently. And now I look at my plates, my cups, silverware, anything and everything that I load into the dishwasher. I look at it as money. I load up the dirty money with love and appreciation because I choose to believe it's being cleansed by the dishwasher. You know, Mother Nature's water. And this is for my future desire, so I can eat yummy food off of it. I take out my clean money and I lovingly place it in its spot in the cabinets for my desired use. My boring household chore has become a fruitful manifesting activity because of my chosen focus of what is a possibility. I not only appreciate what I have, I also allow for more of the same or similar to emerge into my physical realm because of my chosen focus. More money comes to me because I approach money with a positive dishwasher spin now. Pun intended. Yes. I I promised unconventional and quirky ways to manifest. So, obviously, I'm going to have silly jokes sometimes. Instead of thinking money is greedy, selfish, not available to me, etc., I now think money is part of Mother Nature and it's a beautiful part of our universe. It's literally everywhere because it's made up of the same particles of energy that everything else is made up of in our world. And money is merely energy of particles of atoms. Okay, now you're getting quirky with it. And my dog is sitting next to me and he agrees. How you choose to focus on money is what's your own truth of the matter. Pun intended. Perception is reality. I'm going to say that one more time. Perception is reality. Each time you think about having to do your dreaded chore, get quirky with it instead and love your newfound money thoughts. The universe will follow your lead and deliver your desires to you more quickly. Ready to manifest even faster? Well, then go to Amazon.com and type in "don't feel stuck." Seriously, your soul will thank you. See you next time, manifestors.